Good evening everyone. Good evening Shirley or Kaios. I will discuss the effect of liquid free surface inside a tank or compartment to the vessel stability. The free surface effect refers to how liquid within a partially filled tank or compartment impacts a vessel stability. When a vessel heel tilts the liquid inside the tank shifts, effectively raising the ship's center of gravity and reducing its righting lever. This shift can make the vessel less stable and potentially lead to capsizing. Reduce metacentric height (GM). The free surface effect reduce the metacentric height (GM), which is the vertical distance between the vessel center of gravity G and the metacenter M, a point that determines stability. A smaller GM indicates less stability. As the vessel heel, the liquid is partially filled tank shift toward the low side, effectively moving the vessel center of gravity G toward the inclined side. This shift, even if the liquid weight remains the same, can significantly impact stability, according to Wärtsilä. Righting lever (GZ). The free surface which effect also decreases the right lever GZ, which is the distance between the center of gravity and the point where the vessel restoring force acts. A small GZ means the vessel's ability to return an upright position is reduced. Important to ballasting. When ballasting a vessel filling tank with water, it's crucial to do so correctly to minimize the free surface effect. Factor influencing the effect. The severity of the free surface effect depends on factors such as the tank's dimension, the liquid density, the ship displacement, and the angle of heel. And that's all for my discussion.